My name is Fars. I wasn't born into a rich family. I actually come from an average middle-class Indian family, which instilled into my brain from a really young age that if I don't become a doctor, lawyer, or engineer, I'll never be successful in my life. Taking classes in high school about law and biology or math, I knew that this life just wasn't for me. I knew that I was destined for more than just going to school for half of my life and working the rest. I grew to learn more about entrepreneurship and the importance of having multiple streams of income. I submerged myself into becoming the best version of myself through learning, reading, and taking action, even though I failed more times than I can count. So how did I have my best month yet of making almost $30,000 in just 1 month at 20 years old? Well, let's find out. The first stream of income we are going to be talking about is my job. I am currently in college and I have 1 more year till I graduate, and I was fortunate enough to land an internship within my field, which I'm happy to say brings me about $1,000 to $2,000 a month. I don't work full-time, it's part-time, and I only work on the days that I don't have classes. The one thing I was taught when I was younger that stuck with me forever is having a fixed and consistent income. No matter what you do, what side hustle or extra income you have, you should have a fixed income that comes in no matter what. Now you'll see as I say my other sources of income, they fluctuate, and for some of them I have no control over, but I know at the end of the month, no matter what, I'll be making an X amount from my job, which in this case is $1,000 to $2,000 a month, and I try to only spend and live off this income that comes in from my job. Everything else I make, I'll either reinvest back into the business or end up saving it. Coming in at my second source of income, it's going to be my YouTube channel. I currently have almost 10,000 subscribers, so I just wanted to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I never thought I can reach this many subscribers in my life and end up making how much I'm about to show you on my YouTube channel. YouTube is definitely one of my most scalable sources of income because once you get monetized on YouTube, it directly correlates to how much work you put in. When you put in a lot of hours scripting, filming, and editing, your revenue will show. YouTube is also great for passive income. You can post a video and it can be making you money months or even years down the road, which is a great source of income to have. I try to make my content evergreen, meaning it can be relevant no matter the time. It isn't based around a trend or a specific moment in time, such as I recently made a video on how to start investing in crypto. It's a video that will be relevant for years to come and people will always find it useful. Now some things might change like the websites and stuff, but it will definitely be useful years down the road. So this is my YouTube studio. So as you can see, in the past 28 days I've been able to generate $992. So for every day I would say I'm generating about $20 to $30 every single day. This past couple days I actually saw a huge jump up. It's almost 64, or I hit $64 in a day. Now it's hovering around $50 a day, so if I can be around this $50 mark I would be very grateful. Now if we head over into the revenue tab, you might be wondering why my channel with only 10,000 or not even 10,000 subscribers make this much money, and it's because of my CPM. So my CPM, I get paid $30 per every 1,000 views, and after that I keep $18.93 after YouTube takes its cut. You might be wondering why my CPM is so high, and it's because of the topics I talk about in my videos. I talk about investing, finance, and different ways to make money, which in YouTube's eyes will give me a higher CPM. Now I made a whole video on why my CPM is a lot higher. I'll also leave it down in the description box below if you guys are curious. Now if we go into my month-to-month breakdown, as you can see I got monetized back in October, and it was like mid-October, so I ended up making $400. In November I made $669. In December it was $993. In January, it's currently 5 days into January at the time of this filming, and I've made $257. I set myself a goal for the year of 2021. I told myself my goal is to make at least $3,000 a month just from my YouTube AdSense revenue by the end of the year. So currently I'm about at, I would say, $1,000 a month. I don't have a lot of data to go off of, but that is definitely my goal, to have my YouTube channel generating me $3,000 every single month. On to the next source of income for me, which is selling on Amazon. Now this is a new source of income for me. I just started selling on Amazon, I would say about 2 to 3 months ago, seriously, and I am beyond blessed with the explosion of sales I've had. Now I'm going to put up some screenshots of the days I've had selling on Amazon, but just in the past 5 days of January I was able to make $15,000 in sales selling on Amazon. Now I do Amazon FBM, which stands for Fulfillment by Merchant. So anytime my store gets an order, I'll ship it out to them Amazon from one of my suppliers. FBA is something I am looking to get into, which stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. It's where I send products to Amazon, and anytime I get an order, they'll ship it out for me, which is essentially no work for me. Amazon has definitely taken off for me, and I plan to scale this as much as possible in 2021. With the current sales in January, I'm pretty sure that I will hit at least $50,000 in sales this month alone, and I highly recommend, if you guys are planning on getting started with e-commerce, get started with Amazon. I wish I could tell you the products I was selling. Unfortunately, I can't, but trust me, you would never in a million years think the products I'm selling will bring me in this much sales. I think it's because most people find it very hard to comprehend how many people are buying on Amazon every single day. Every hour, $17 million worth of items are sold on Amazon. So even if you get 0.0001% of that amount, you will be very, very happy with the amount of sales. Also, you have to know that these are sales and not profit. My profit on my Amazon store is about 20%, which is, I would say, $3,000 for the $15,000 in sales I made in the past couple of days in January. On to my fourth source of income, which is going to be my stock and crypto income, along with the trading I do. Now, this is going to be a little harder to track because of the fluctuations in the market, but on average, I can see anywhere from a $500 to $2,000 gain every single month. Leading up to the end of 2020, I was accumulating a lot of crypto, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, and if you've been paying attention to the markets, I'm sure you've seen the prices have exploded, with Bitcoin over $30,000 and Ethereum over $1,000. Just in the last month, my crypto portfolio made me almost $15,000 in gains. If you aren't already in crypto, I would highly recommend looking into it, but be sure to do your research before getting into it because it can be very risky. I also have my dividend and regular growth in my stock portfolio, but crypto by far took the storm these past couple of months. If you guys are interested in getting into crypto, I'll leave a link to my top 5 picks for 2021 and how I got started investing in cryptocurrency down in the description box below. Coming in at number 5 is my ATM and vending machine business. Now, if you guys don't already know this about me, I have my own ATMs and vending machines. I got into this business my later years in high school and earlier years in college. I've slowed down getting new locations mainly because of the virus, and with a lot of businesses shutting down or a lot of businesses just not generating as much foot traffic as they once did. Nonetheless, it's still great passive income I get every single month. I would say on an average month, I make about $500 to $1,000 from both my ATM and vending machines that I have on location. In December, I was able to generate about $500 from my ATMs and about $200 from my vending machine. You might be wondering why I still focus on these businesses when with the ATM machines I have to go to the bank, replenish my ATM machines with that money, constantly keep track of it to make sure money isn't running low, and with my vending machines constantly buying snacks, replenishing that and making sure nothing is going expired, when I can use that time to focus on other things that generate me more income. I think it's a fact that these were my first true side hustles that generated me extra income every single month, and I just don't want to let go of it. Maybe in the future I'll end up selling my route to someone who's interested in buying ATMs and vending machines, but who knows? But for now, I'm definitely going to keep this going for as long as I can. Coming in at number 6 is affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's pretty much promoting a product or service, and if anyone ends up purchasing that product, you will get a percentage back for referring it to them. The way I do affiliate marketing is by putting links in my YouTube descriptions. Sometimes in the video, I'll say check out a brand or a service, and I'll leave a link to it down in the description box below, and if someone ends up clicking that link and buys the product or service, I'll get a percentage back. I also put links in my TikTok bio, which helps me generate extra income as well. So how much has affiliate marketing brought me? I would say I make about $2,000 to $4,000 a month from all the affiliate networks I am involved with. I'll also insert pictures from my PayPal to show you guys that I'm not lying and this is proof, but this is roughly how much I make every single month from affiliate marketing. If you want to do something where you don't have to show your face and make extra income, this is definitely for you. The way I am doing it is a little different, but you can easily promote your links through running Facebook ads or creating a page on Instagram and promoting links that way. I'll be posting a video on how to get started with affiliate marketing soon as well, so be sure to be on the lookout for that. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you know whenever I post that video. I also have other streams of income, but these are the main ones that I have. Other ones I have consist of reselling phones or shoes, making resumes for other people, and a little bit of photography. But those are here and there and don't make a substantial portion of my income. Now, I didn't make this video to brag or to show off. It's just to show you that you can make money doing other things. Who knows where I would have been if I ended up listening to my parents and took the generic Indian route of becoming a doctor. Honestly, I'd probably be crammed up in books studying for exams. Don't come up with excuses as well. I know a lot of people hide behind the fact that they work and don't have time for it, or that they're in school and need to focus on getting grades. You have to understand, I go to school and work as well. So if I can do it, what makes you think you guys can? You just need the right motivation and the perseverance, and trust me, you guys will grow tremendously. I truly appreciate it if you guys made it this far. If you guys found this video useful or you guys just enjoyed watching it, please drop a like, subscribe if you guys haven't already. It helps the YouTube algorithm show my videos to more people. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace.